Hi everyone, I'm Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to start talking about colors, and I'm going to start with malachite. Mineral green is a generic term of malachite. There are 4 shades of green from this color to almost white. As you can imagine, making pigments from stone takes a long time, involving a lengthy process of grinding, boiling, distilling, and filtering to get the pure color. A lot of Chinese colors from minerals are in powder form. I think that's more traditional. And then you'll have to add glue to bond it together. I had this tool to add the glue to the powder, but I couldn't find it when I was shooting this video, so I am just using my small spoon. I think that I probably took too much, so I'm gonna just put some here. This color has become a popular Chinese painting pigment since the 10th to 12th century, that is during the Song Dynasty. It was used in landscape painting and temple decorations. This process takes a bit of time and you have to buy glue. So if you want it to be more convenient, then there is another kind that is already bonded with some glue. So you can just add water to it. I'll show it to you in some other video. I'm going to use this color to paint Kingfisher, which I think the blue-green will work really well. To get these shades, I take some malachite first and then add some indigo blue. As always, if you are not sure about the shades of color, then it's better to test it on a piece of scrap paper before you paint. Personally, I think that this shades of green-blue is perfect for a common kingfisher. This small bird has a large head and short tails. The long bill is in black color. I'm carefully painting the big eye, and then there is a patch of orange color on the cheek. The same for the chest. For the feather at the bottom, I split the tip of the brush to get the effect. I want to make this painting simple, so I'm using just ink to paint the stem for the bird to perch on. And then I'm painting an orchid. I'm just going to use the white color. This is the white poster color, but you can use any watercolor. And I'm gonna dab a little bit of small dots on the head and some on the wings, and then a little bit at the back. If you cannot see it clearly, I'm gonna show you a close-up later. This is the first time I mix malachite with indigo to paint Kingfisher. I like the effect because the color is very close to the real bird. You may add more indigo or sky blue to make the bird more blue. It's a personal preference. You just have to give it a try. For the claw, you have to wait till the stem is almost dried. The feet meant to be red, but I'm using just ink. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you find this useful, please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. That will help the algorithm of the channel. See you in my next video. Have a great day.